Hello friends, this is Unboxing Memories and this is my day one of my Apple Watch experience. This is the first time I've bought my Apple Watch. This is Series 4 Nike Plus Edition, the basic GPS model, and what I would suggest is this is an absolute must for anybody who is an Apple fan. The watch is such a beauty and so smooth and so fluid. As you can see, it's just effortless to go through anything. If you look at the watch face, oh my god, look at this, it looks so beautiful, so smooth, so responsive. And I would anytime suggest to any of my friends or viewers or family, go for this watch, because this watch is such an addictive thing to have. Now I'm going to show you in this video how to configure your watch faces on this phone. So all you need to do is go to the watch app that is there on your phone, click on the application. As you can see, they have provided all these watch faces that come inbuilt with WatchOS 5. Now what I have observed is, since I've started using it, the WatchOS doesn't come inbuilt or pre-configured with all the watch faces. So you have to go into My Watch app and select and install the watch faces that you have. I have currently installed all the watch faces, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly apply the watch face that you like from your phone. So if you select this Toy Story watch face from your phone and say set as current watch face, see that it automatically changes it on your watch. And the Toy Story app, the Toy Story watch face is an animated watch face, and I really love it. There are multiple animations in this watch face. If you can, let me try to turn this screen off. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, turn the screen off, and let's wait for a couple of seconds. Oh, I was expecting the watch animation to change, but let me try again. I normally see the watch animation change. There you go, the watch animation changed. But there are plenty of animation in this watch face. Now the other watch faces that I would like to show you. So if you happen to apply, oh, there you go, there's a lovely animation from Toy Story that just went by. Sorry, my camera was not focused enough. But if I go back to my phone and apply this watch face, and the minute I come back, there you go. It's such a beauty to watch these jellyfishes. Oh my god, I can't believe how many motion jellyfishes are there in these or I would say, sorry, animated jellyfishes you can find in this watch face. Oh my god, I just can't wait to see all of them. I've like tried to close my phone multiple number of times and watch it. Like every time it comes up with a new jellyfish animation. I don't know how many are there in this watch face, but each one is such a beauty to watch. As you can see, it's coming up with different animations. Let me try to cover it up and see if it comes up with another one when I turn the clock watch on. You see that? Oh man, that's so beautiful. Okay, the other watch face that I also prefer is I'm still unlocking my phone. Okay, the other watch faces that I normally prefer is the infograph. Oh, the infograph is also a very good watch face. It provides a lot of information regarding your weather, your temperature, your alarms, your battery level. You can actually basically I'm sorry, I just hit the tripod. You just select the watch face and hit customize. You can do this from your phone too, but I found this to be more interactive from the watch. So now if you want to change the battery percentage, you select that and just hit the crown, and you get a nice haptic feedback. Sorry about that, there's a chopper going above me. So whenever you turn the crown and another complication is selected, a haptic feedback is received on the crown. Once you're happy with it, like let me come back to the battery that I had. You select that and just hit there you go. The other one I like is this one. It gives a lot of information, like is it a day or night, where you are situated on the globe, your temperature, your weather, your time, your date, your battery level, another time zone, and another complication where I've set it to my beats per minute. So this is another one, and these are the Nike faces, Nike watch faces that are proprietary to this model of the phone. So I would suggest go buy this watch and enjoy how many wonderful watch faces you can enjoy on this watch. It's such a beauty to have these watch faces. Oh my god, I just can't stop fiddling around with my watch ever since I got it. Let me know your comments below. What do you think of all these watch faces, all these animated ones and the normal ones, and let me know your experience. What do you think of these? And also, if you want, please, I forgot to show you this one. I so forgot to show you the fire watch face. Just hold on. Yeah, see this? This is such a beauty to watch. But let me know what you feel about these watch faces. If you bought an Apple Watch recently, or you're planning to buy one. If you have any questions, hit me up and I can make more videos about them. And thank you. Have a nice evening. See ya.